Hello.
This is a vlog, vlog.
B-L-O-G. Vlog.
Vlog.
Four letters. B-L-O-G.
V.
It's going to spell it right here. Okay? It's going to be like B-L-O-G.
No. Oh yeah.
But like it's going to say it on the screen. So you're probably seeing it right now, okay?
Mhm.
I know.
Okay.
This is our first vlog.
This is our first vlog.
We just thought that we're so funny, we should just do a vlog. So, I don't know what to talk about. How do we talk about Silly Man?
Okay, let's name off which ones we have. Okay, go.
Ring.
Ring.
I gave it to her. And go. It's really embarrassing because that's going on YouTube. And it was really funnier in my head and when it happened. FYI, we're cousins / sisters. No, we're not sisters. Yeah, we're. Yeah. We're sisters. When I say don't say. That was totally on purpose. But I did fall off the chair in a Mexican restaurant.
What are you doing?
Sometimes I feel like when we get up and dance around like hot. Boom. Vlog. B-L-O-G. Oh, whoa.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me.